What's up, guys? Today I'm making a corrections video for somebody that made a video on adding, image textures in Blender. Their video was shit and I feel compelled to correct it for them. So what we're going to do is we're going to click File and then we're going to import our day file. So you simply navigate to your day file and then you can import that. And you'll see the whole car. We're going to take our mouse and we're going to, down here on this bottom screen, you can see where it's like an up and down arrow. All we're going to do is just drag that part of the screen up. Then we're coming over to the left of the screen and we're going to click on Shade Editor. From there, you're going to want to make sure that you're on the body. This happens to be on Chrome. It's not what I want, so I want Judge 69. And to zoom in on this, all you do is scroll with your mouse wheel. We're gonna scroll that and we're gonna make that a little bit bigger. From there, we're gonna click Shift and A, and I hate shortcuts, they're a pain in the ass. From there, we're gonna type in, you'll click search, and I already did this. So you'll type in image texture, and then what we're going to do is drag and drop that. We're going to connect color to base color, and then Shift A again, and we're going to go to search. And this time we're going to type in mapping, and then from mapping you're going to collect vector to vector. Then it's Shift A again, search, and then this time it is texture coordinate, and then we're going to just left click to drop that. Then we're going to connect object to vector, and we're going to come back over to image texture, and we're going to change that from repeat, and you don't want extend, you want clip. Next we come up into this pane and we'll go ahead and click the add button, and then we're going to click empty and then plain axes. You'll see this popped up, and this. You'll also take note over in the right hand corner here we have an empty. So if we zoom in, you can see there's this little like plus sign that gives you your X, Y, and Z axis. But you also notice that your shade editor went away. It's not a big deal. The way I'm zooming this in and out is by the mouse scroll button. So what I'm going to do is press the 7 on the number pad, and we're just going to click on the hood. And you're going to see it's not right because we're under Judge 69 underscore Chrome. So we're going to click that little round circle and we're going to click Judge 69. And there is a slider here that you can slide back and forth and up and down. Something that the asshole didn't, tell you. From there, we're going to open under image textures a texture that you want. And then you can see I just have untitled 3.png. From there, what you're going to do is we're going to hover our mouse here. We're going to press 3 on the number and we're going to scroll in. And you can see there is a kind of a black line here. What we're going to do for this is we're going to go to texture coordinate, and then we're going to click on the little eyedropper, and then all you want to do is click on that little black line, and then this down here, it has object. It's going to have empty. After that, we're going to hover our mouse back to there, and we're going to go and press 7. So now we don't see our texture yet, because up here you're going to see a little world and a circle. You click in on the third one. Now you can see your image texture. So if we click G, we can move. Actually, what happened there was I was on the car and not the texture. So all we're going to do is click Edit, Undo, and then we're going to make sure that we have the empty highlighted over here. Now you can click G, and now we can move our image anywhere we want on the car. And then we'll left click. If you press S, now we can scale that image, and then click left click again, and then click G, and then move that to wherever you want. Left click, and then if we just use our axis, you can see this is one easy way to add textures to a car without UV mapping.